Welcome back to the channel. I'm inside my booth. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down a script for you. We're doing an internal liquor spot here, as you can see on the screen. So we're going to break this whole thing down for you. This particular one is off voices.com. It's a 100-word count. There are 60 responses for it already. I'm still going to audition at that. There's not really any amount of responses that I'm not going to respond to. That I'm not going to audition because we don't know how many they're going to listen to. If they're listening to it in chronological order in the beginning, and they flip it the other way, then, auditioning later is the better strategy. And of course, having a voice match score you see there, 100%. The voice match score on the screen, that's going to help you get to the top of the pile and get listened to. So let's go through the script here. So it says they're looking for a spokesperson type read, confident and smooth in delivery, tongue-in-cheek, effortlessly cool, charming, polished, not overly salesy or infomercial or over the top. Oh my God, it's me. What will help make people want to buy and drink this liquor? Okay, and it says role is spokesperson, style is engaging, sincere, middle-aged. Now, I always take this stuff kind of with a grain of salt because the clients never really know what they want. They think they do. They have all this stuff. This is what the ad agency would have put up. They would have got all those buzzwords and all that direction from the client themselves. But I feel like the script is a better indicator of what we're actually dealing with here and how we should approach this. So as always, before I start, I just do like what I call a data read. I just read it, just kind of flat, and just think about what the words are and how this comes across. So the taste of Straightaway's company coffee. Okay, interesting. Liqueur. A taste of Straightaway's a company coffee liqueur has been known to turn an unassuming sip into a first class red-eye flight to paradise. Okay, yeah, so it's kind of funny the way that is. A grounded love for well-crafted spirit is why it feels so at home in any glass. It fits seamlessly into every moment. Your culture complemented by ours, making you feel with each sip like a panther in the moonlight. Okay, so this is like weird and funny. We've perfected the path to the perfect pour. A lot of P's there. We've perfected the path to the perfect pour by taking the scenic route. Route or route? I never know. In Canada, we would say route. Now I say route because I'm in the States, depending. And then sometimes people say route.
Canada, you did it again. Why? Why do we let you be a country?
So you can have that second wind at 11 a.m. feeling, the second wind at 1 a.m. feeling, wherever that may be. A company coffee liqueur is more than just a flavor. It's our passion. It's made for everyone all day long. A company coffee liqueur. Take a sip and prepare for takeoff. Okay, so it's definitely funny. It's got to have some energy to it. They say they want cool and charming, but they don't want over the top or salesy. I'm just going to ignore that because if, I'm going to speak from my own point of view. I'm going to be me in this. I'm going to be not trying to give out the client what they want. I'm going to be me, try and be funny, try and be cool. I think I'm cool. And I'm really going to own the jokes in this. I'm not going to say it like I'm trying to do a voiceover. I'm going to say it like these are my words. Like I'm thinking of them. They're coming off the top of my head. I'm just going to let go all the direction and just be in the moment and just see how it comes out. The taste of Straightaway's, a company coffee liqueur, has been known to turn an unassuming sip into a first-class red-eye flight to paradise. Our grounded love for a well-crafted spirit is why it feels so at home in any glass. It fits seamlessly in every moment. It fits seamlessly in every moment. Your culture complemented by ours, making you feel with each sip like a partner in the moonlight. We've perfected the path to the perfect pour by taking the scenic route, so you can have that second wind at 1 a.m. feeling wherever that may be. A company coffee liqueur. It's more than just a flavor. It's our passion. And it's made for everyone, all day long. A company coffee liqueur. Take a sip and prepare for takeoff. I feel like I missed a line. Oh, panther in the moonlight. I think I messed that up. Anyway, yeah, so, I'm feeling okay about that, but I think I want to push it a little bit more. Here's the thing. If you do a safe read, if you feel like your read's safe and kind of generic, it's going to come across like that to the client. And then you're just kind of hedging your bet on that you have the voice that they want, which I don't think is enough. You got to make some interesting and bold choices. So let's push it a little further. The taste of Straightaway's, a company coffee liqueur, has been known to turn an unassuming sip into a first-class red-eye flight to paradise. Our grounded love for a well-crafted spirit is why it feels so at home in any glass. It fits seamlessly into every moment. Your culture, complemented by ours, making you feel with each sip like a panther in the moonlight. We've perfected the path to the perfect pour by taking the scenic tour. We've perfected the path to the perfect We've perfected the path to the perfect pour by taking the scenic route. So you can have that second win at 1 a.m. feeling wherever that may be. I'm going to take that again because where do you think you're going to be at 1 a.m. when you get a second win? So you can have that second win at 1 a.m. feeling wherever that may be. So you can have that second wind at 1 a.m. feeling wherever that may be. A company coffee liqueur. It's more than just a flavor. It's our passion. And it is made for everyone all day long. A company coffee liqueur. Take a sip and prepare for takeoff. Yeah, so I feel pretty good about that. I took some chances, not over the top. Now, one thing you're gonna notice is that I'll say a line a few times or I'll make a mistake. Totally fine. Every pro makes mistakes all the time. So if you're making a mistake, don't go back to the beginning of the thing unless you're on the first line. Just take that line again. You want to make sure it's at natural breaks. So like, after a period or where you're changing a thought, where there's a natural break, that's where you can pick it up again. And if you're not sure, just go back a sentence and take it again from there. But sometimes I like to say a line over and over and over just to feel it. It's hard to explain that way. You really if I'm taking a line like, let's see here, making you feel with each sip like a panther in the moonlight. How many different ways could you do that? Sometimes I'll even do an ABC of that. An ABC is it's a session you hear in a directed session where they want you to do a line, usually either the first line or the tagline or like an important line. They'll want you to do it three in a row and just put a different spin on it each time. So for ABC with this would be like making you feel with each sip like a panther in the moonlight. Making you feel with each sip like a panther in the moonlight. Making you feel with each sip like a panther in the moonlight. 3 different takes on that. And I might just pick whichever one I like. Yeah, that's basically just breaking a script down. It's more than just saying the words. I hope you can see that now. It's a combination of looking at what they're asking for, putting my own point of view on it, my own sense of humor, my own spin, and molding it to the copy and making it mine, because you don't ever want to perform a script like it's somebody else's, like you're trying to get it right. You have to say these words like they're your own words. So yeah, I hope that gives you a little bit more insight into the breaking down a script process. Some people ask if I mark up the script and plan where I'm going to put pauses or change. No, I feel it in the moment. You have to. You can't be thinking about what you're going to do in the script while you're performing it, because then you're dead in the water. You're not in the moment. You're not being authentic. If you want to learn how to do an authentic commercial voiceover read and put your personality into it and follow your instincts, we have all kinds of classes in VoiceOver School to help you with that. Check the links below. Many ways to work with me. Other than that, we will see you in the next video. I'm going to be doing more series like this where I'm breaking down scripts and doing tutorials. Maybe we'll call it Tutorial Tuesday. But other than that, I'm Jesse. This has been another video. We'll see you in the next one. Oh, and almost forgot to say, when you edit this together, it's going to be a lot more smooth. In fact, hold on one second. I'm going to edit this together and we're going to play it. We're going to put it up on the screen while we're going to play the audio in the background and give you an idea of what it's going to sound like when you put all that stuff together. So here we go. A taste of Straightaway's Accompany Coffee Liqueur has been known to turn an unassuming sip into a first-class red-eye flight to paradise. Our grounded love for a well-crafted spirit is why it feels so at home in any glass. It fits seamlessly into every moment. Your culture complemented by ours, making you feel with each sip like a panther in the moonlight. We've perfected the path to the perfect pour by taking the scenic route, so you can have that second win at 1 a.m. feeling wherever that may be. A company coffee liqueur. It's more than just a flavor. It's our passion. And it is made for everyone, all day long. A company coffee liqueur. Take a sip and prepare for takeoff. And I think that's about enough time for it. I don't know. The auditions are usually around 30 seconds. If they're more than that, I usually try to keep them down to 30 seconds on pay to play. For agents, I'll do whatever the hell I'm supposed to do. And yeah, if this interests you, we do this in VoiceOver School every week. You can watch me do this live. I stream all that stuff, and you can ask me questions and comment on what's going on and interact with me in real time, all to help you learn how to do better auditions and book more jobs. So if that interests you, join VoiceOver School. Check out the links below.